Now, I've had a lot of people reaching out to me about Mirror Trading International, as I've not done an update in a little while. Well, this couldn't be better timed, as it's now officially 6 months since I got started with the company. I did a review on Mirror Trading International back when I first joined as a member, so let's take another look into the company again and see how they're performing and what changes have taken place.
Mirror Trading International, or MTI, is a South African company that saw tremendous success in furthering the adoption of blockchain technology by enabling thousands of people to enjoy crypto revenue opportunities without the requirements of high initial investment, previous trading experience, or advanced technical knowledge. At the moment, MTI has over 180,000 active members globally. What is the secret to MTI's tremendous success? Firstly, MTI has a proven historical record of being able to provide their members with an average daily profit of 0.5%. But what makes MTI unique is not just the profit. The company focuses on creating a community-driven Bitcoin investing platform. All active members of MTI can freely use the dedicated members portal, which grants them unique benefits, such as the ability to participate in Zoom calls with trading and crypto experts, and members can also benefit from access to educational materials and explanatory videos that discuss crypto from the basics up to advanced trading strategies. Each individual member will find something interesting for themselves, providing people with the opportunity to increase not only their income, but also their knowledge is a great way to further the adoption of blockchain technology, and MTI is a step towards that goal.
Well, things with Mirror Trading International have been fantastic. The profits are great, the withdrawals are fast, and importantly still, there are zero fees. One feature that members love with Mirror Trading International is the fact that your deposited capital is never locked, so anybody who may want to test whether it's for them can do so with ease. You can withdraw funds whenever you wish, as there are no contracts, no penalties. Here, everything just runs like clockwork. And being that this company has been running successfully for more than a year and a half now, there must be a reason why. So let's take a closer look. Now, like any company that grows exponentially, Mirror Trading International have had their fair share of growing pains. But what I like is that they remain proactive and blinkered with focus on their core objective: to grow our Bitcoin. They do this by using our Bitcoin as leverage to trade in the Forex and crypto markets. They then distribute any profits generated back to all members who contributed at least $100 in Bitcoin to their trading pool. We're also provided with a limited trading view in the back office that you can check out in your own account at any time. It's published every 2 weeks, and you can check on the running performance of live trades taking place. Now let's take a closer look at some stats that I think you'll find staggering. Mirror Trading International currently have more than 20,000 Bitcoin currently trading for members, which is well over $200 million. So you can quite clearly see there's a lot of faith and confidence in this company. The funds are traded in the crypto markets, and every day we can view the performance of the trading activity and view the returns generated as members. And what's really quite exceptional is the fact that this company now has over 190,000 members from all over the world. So what are the likely expected returns you can receive after you join? Well, firstly, it's important to note that profits generated with Mirror Trading International are never guaranteed. The returns are all dependent on successful trading performance and vary between 0.2 and 1% returns every day for 5 working days in a week. Now, this may change to 7 days in the near future, but for now it's 5 days trading activity. So what happens to your crypto after you deposit? Well, I think this is a good question, and every member should be aware of exactly what is happening after depositing into the platform. So let's say, for example, you deposit $1,000 worth of Bitcoin with Mirror Trading International. Your Bitcoin will transfer via MTI or Mirror Trading International to their contracted unregulated broker. Now it's here where your Bitcoin will commence any trading activity in a fully automated way. Your deposit will be applied over to the trading pool balance in your account, and you'll receive daily passive returns to your account in the trading bonuses area. Any bonuses or returns you achieve will be applied to your trading pool balance every day. So essentially, your account will automatically compound and generate you even more Bitcoin every day. So that's pretty sweet. And it's great to see that this powerful feature is embedded for all members. So do we have an active and visible team behind Mirror Trading International? Well, Johann Steinberg is the founder and CEO of Mirror Trading International. We've taken a look at this gentleman previously in my review 6 months ago. And as ever, Johann and the team remain proactive, transparent, and fully attached to the company. Now, I like the fact that we can see a CEO and team who play a pivotal role to drive the company forward. This is really important, and it adds additional layers of transparency, trust, and confidence in the business. Now, this is important as I want to see where my hard-earned crypto is going and who I'm working with to grow my Bitcoin. Now, it hasn't all been sunshine, rainbows, and fluffy dogs. MTI have also been under scrutiny as of late with heat from the FSCA and a data breach recently. But the company have isolated any weaknesses in their platform and embraced new changes with extra security layers being added to bring an improved, stable, and secure system to an even higher degree. Anyway, on a positive note, the results with Mirror Trading International have been epic, and with the introduction of crypto trading to the platform, members still continue to receive a flawless experience with Mirror Trading International, with only one single negative trading day since launch. Now, that's really impressive. Now, I'm happy to see the company plow forward and gain traction with no slowing down in sight. Another area that I really like is the bi-weekly bit bulletins and notes from the CEO. So if you're ever worried about being left in the dark with how MTI is progressing, worry not. The company take it upon themselves to keep the entire community up to date with progress, reports and stats so that you can keep your finger on the pulse at all times and weigh up your risk. Now, I again think this is really important, so I commend Mirror Trading International on their efforts. There is nothing worse than joining a company and then... Whereas here, the company realized the importance of working together with a clear and defined line of communication. Now, don't forget also, the company have all their official social channels available to you so you can stay in the loop with things and see how they are progressing day to day. So overall, a positive experience with Mirror Trading International for myself and my team. I'm happy with the performance of the last 6 months, and I remain optimistic and excited about the next 6 months ahead. So what are my final thoughts about Mirror Trading International? Well, listen, it's no secret where Bitcoin is going, and if you're seeking a long-term platform to grow your Bitcoin with every day, with a user interface without any hurdles, this could be a company for you. Now let's take a look at some of the key points with Mirror Trading International so that you can gauge whether this is a company you may want to join and add as a new addition to your passive portfolio. Well, first things first, the capital is never locked. I reiterate this point, and I can literally go in and withdraw my principal amount at any time without any restrictions or penalty fees. And speaking of fees, of course, like I mentioned, there are 0 withdrawal fees, nothing. So the Bitcoin profits you withdraw are exactly what you receive in your external wallet in around 24 hours. Now, the great thing is as well with Mirror Trading International is the fact that we can earn from trading cryptocurrencies, an industry that still remains untapped in usage and its overall valuation. Again, there is a limited live view in the back office of all trading activities that take place with Mirror Trading International. As mentioned, there are no contracts, no lock-ins or any weird stuff like that. We have a visible and proactive CEO and a very well-structured management team. So as you can see, MTI do things a little differently, and it's no wonder why these guys have been flourishing and are pioneers in the field of cryptocurrencies. Now, please bear in mind that profits are never guaranteed with Mirror Trading International, and historical performance does not guarantee future results. Please remember to always invest responsibly. Now that's it from me. I'm looking forward to bringing new updates your way real soon. I appreciate you staying to the end of the video, and I look forward to touching base with you real soon.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful and you would love other exciting videos on tech, growing your business and making more money online, kindly subscribe to our channel at Breed School and click the bell notification icon to stay updated on other upcoming videos we create. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Breed School, or visit us at breedschool.com. Have a great time and keep soaring. Bye.